Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and thank you for watching my video today. Today I'm going to be working on our 5x5 box frames. They're double-sided, and I'm also going to be using a found surface. I'm going to be using our Confection Candy Hearts transfer, and I have already I'm trying this. I've seen some other designers do it, just cutting the lines of the transfer so I can leave it on the backing, or put it back on the backing, because they are reusable. And paste I'm going to be using is Bright White, Peony, Raspberry Sorbet. I'm going to be using Daffodil and Wisteria. It is a in vogue color from last spring summer catalog. If you wanted to make that color, you could probably use Regal with some bright white and mix it together. And let's get started. I'm gonna wax this 5x5 board. I've already waxed the other ones, but I'm gonna just show you. This is our surface wax. It has no color to it, just to keep pieces of wood coming up or get our transfer, because they're sticky sometimes. Coming up. Right there. And I'm going to get started. Well, it looks a little distressed. Okay, well, I probably should have put some wax or something over that. Maybe it just wasn't dry enough for these two. But they're still really cute. They look a little distressed. But they're okay. I can always wipe them off and do them again. And this here, if I can't get it wiped off, I can always paint the back of the board. But there they are. And I like them. I think they're cute. Give it a little distress there, especially because I did it right around the word. But I just want to say thank you for watching. And all my details and links are below. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Feel free to comment below. And again, thank you for watching. See you all in the next video. Bye. Have a great day.